K1 race.
Still 5 boats together in the men's race going across the top end of the bay. Still a group of 5.
150 meters more to go. It is Dora Lut from Hungary, who will win the gold medal in ladies K1. Dora Lut from Hungary winning the gold medal once again in the Junior World Championship. She won the Junior World Championships in K1 500 earlier this year, and now the victory, the gold medal, the first gold medal of this World Championships goes to Dora Lut from Hungary, and silver also to Hungary by Wanda Kisli from Hungary, and the bronze medal to Sweden by Linnea Stensils, Vaxholm, Sweden.